I'm Brendan Dunne. I'm the builder for Dunne Constructions. We specialise in high-end custom new builds, mainly on the Mornington Peninsula, but also up Melbourne, Toorak area. Yeah, for us, we like to use the same people every job. So it's about relationships and working through problems, especially at the high-end level. Things change a lot. Being able to work through the process and coming up with the ultimate goal, which is a high-end product and looks amazing. If the communication is really good through the whole process, obviously the job flows better. But having the confidence that if something does go wrong or not quite right, having those relationships, it's always just an easy work through. Whereas the alternative is, something goes wrong or there's massive delays without communication. We can't then communicate that to our clients, and having those relationships allows us to do that. We use Blue Croc products through a range of the different builds. So we use them for our shower screens and splashbacks. We use them for all our manufacturing, pool fencing, custom steelwork. Haven't had a difficulty finding a solution with Blue Croc. The guys that come out and measure and that, we always have really good discussions. So there's always a work through there. And then I've been using them for all my fixings and everything, and I've found their knowledge on certain fixings that aren't the normal has been really good, and anything I need they can get in for me, so it's been a really good workaround to have the one spot do so much. Most of our products are custom, and that's where the relationship's really important, that I know that I'm going to get that end product rather than just buying something off the shelf. Yeah, so I outsource obviously the installation, so when I'm using Blue Croc I get them to install as well. As a builder, I firmly believe that it's important for them to be out and installing their product as well, so there's a level of care at both ends, from the builder but also the manufacturer. Blue Croc's been really good to deal with. You get used to the team, the office staff, and when you make a phone call now, everyone knows each other, and it's a really easy way to work through it, and they understand how we operate as a company and they know what my expectations are, so it's been really good.